care family. Welcome to MTV Crib. Lawn care. All right, check it out. My 2018 lawn care setup. I had a subscriber say, "Hey Vic, what you working with this year?" And I'm not the type of person who like to tell my business, but due to the subscriber asking me, I said, all right, I'll let you know what my 2018 setup. So right here, we're rolling with the John Deere. It's a Z930M. We have about a little bit under 100 hours on it. Now, what I love about this bad boy is this right here. This is called mulch on demand. Boom, you can open that up, grass fly out of there. Close it up. Boom, mulch on demand. And guess what, guys? Kid you not, I done changed the blades on this thing once already, and every time I look under it, it's no grass stuck anywhere. And I done did some trash yards. And when I mean trash, I mean, you know, sticks, weeds, you name it. It's been in there, and I done cut in the rain. No mud underneath that deck. And it's Stihl. You can step on this bad boy. Step on that bad boy. This thing ain't going nowhere. So, if you got a John Deere guy in your area, I will go get you one. Talk to him. All right. Now, if I don't know all the labels or models, forgive me. I am gonna look on the equipment for that information. All right. So, let's first start off with the truck. This truck, I got duck bed, dovetail, is a tail on the end of it. Dovetail. So basically got this from Conyers, Metalworks, and picked that up last year when I got the truck. That was additional. This is a Zuzu. It's an 09 NPR. It's an NPR truck. I got it from it used to be a rider truck. You know, people who I guess you know, you rent them to move stuff. So it used to be a rider truck. I'm gonna tell you what I love about it. I love about it is because it has a governor on it, 65 miles per hour. That's as fast as you can drive this truck, which means anytime I have a worker drive this truck, they only can go 65 miles per hour, which is great. So this is where I got it from. Forsyth Truck Sales, that's the numbers. I was too lazy to take it off, so for advertisement for them. So let's go check it out, see what we got in the back. Oh yeah, by the way, had a young, ooh, she almost failed, but she recovered. So, my wife almost failed. But anyway, what you got right here, this is graphics. And what's the name of the graphics, man?
City Graphics.
City Graphics, a young guy. He's about 23, 22 years old. He did my rap, and he did a reasonable price. It was so reasonable, I ain't gonna even tell you how much he charged me because I want you to pay that guy right. So anyway, he put it on here. Only took him about 2 days to do it. All right, inside of my box truck, let's check it out, see what we got. Look, found my other spring. All right, check it out. I got the Stihl backpack. It's an SG20, and hadn't used it yet, but my other trailer, my partner, he's used it already, and we use this for putting chemicals in it in order to do what it's called, it reduced the growth, slow growth on the hedges. All right, so right here we got gas cans. Got this from Harbor Freight. If you have a Harbor Freight in your location, these are there and they're on the low. They're very cheap, and it comes with these little ends right here, which, by the way, if you want to spend a little money, and you're gonna have some spillage with this. They ain't the best. Right on, we got the HL91K. This is my trimmer right here. Love this trimmer. Love it to death. I wish I would have started out, like I said, with the Stihl. All right. Also, it has a gauge on it as well where you can slow the speed up, speed the speed up. And what I love about the Stihl is when you crank it when it's cold. You turn that little dial on it to choke it, and you pull that string, everything else is on its own. Now we got the stick edger. Just picked this up, and I really didn't want a stick edger, guys, because I really use the string. But I'm hiring some people this year, and I believe a lot of them are not going to know how to use the string to the edge the pavement. So I really got the stick edgers for them, and I got the heavy duty one. It's the FC96. FC96, if you want to know the model that we're running. And basically, I'm telling you how I buy mine. I said, what's the best one you got? And they'll tell me the price. If I like the price, I go with the best one they got. Because I'm trying to make sure I save money over time. Someone said this to me. The money you save up front is the money you spend in repairs. So I think it's best, just like I save money on them doggone Red Max. Red Max, you hear me dogging you out. I wasn't happy with your equipment. Right here, I got the multi-unit. I'm pretty sure y'all know the name of it. Got the chainsaw in, and then I got another trimmer in, the extended pole, and I got the heavy duty engine. It's the KL111R. KM111R. That's what I got. That's what I'm running. I got an old metal trusty metal ladder. Trash bag. This is let me see what this is. This is from Kroger's. This is from Kroger's. You want to grab you a few of them when you do the self-checkout. Grab you a couple of them bags because they come in handy. You think I'm joking? Grab you a couple of extra, double them bags up for something, and they come in handy for a little trash you put in there and everything. Now right here, I got my walk behind. It's the Bladley Mower, Bladley 36 inch. Got a mulch kit plate on the side of it. I love it. Now, you're gonna see on my other trailer. We'll show you what's on the other trailer. We have the stand on Bladley Mower. It's in the shop right now because the carburetor needed cleaning out. So still a good mower. We purchased another John Deere. You'll see that when we do the trailer hookup. If my partner want to do that one on his own, he'll do it. So right here, I got my Stihl, my handheld, and that's the Stihl BG86. I don't even know how to come up with these names. Yeah, we just call this BG86. So this is BG86. And here's my little rakes and tools stuff right here. Blah, blah, blah. You can get that anywhere. Right here, I have my bandit sign, just in case the brother need to pop out, put the bandit sign out, boom, boom. And I got one call with my bandit sign this year. And that one call should pay for my bandit sign advertisement. So I keep that there. This is what I put out with my cones. Little advertisement. You make it look a little something. I'll put that, make sure the guys put that out. Here I got my miscellaneous rack. Yeah, this is one of those school lunches, milk carton crates things I got. You can pick that up too. And I got my little extra spools, you'll see that. My little spray, I put a little miscellaneous stuff in here, you know what I'm saying? Now, backpack blower. I got the Stihl BR700, top of the line. Now, it doesn't have more power. What it does is it has more air to come throughout the handling system. Now, I am going to say this. I like that the Red Max blower better. The Red Max blower can blow your eyebrows back. That's how strong that is. This is right here. It's not heavy. I love it. It's light, and this is the top of the line Stihl. Hadn't had any problems with it. Crank when I wanted to crank, and that's what's so good. Hey guys, I forgot to do the weed eaters. So I have the Stihl FS94R. So got two of those on the back of the truck as well, and back to uninterrupted programming. Sorry about that. Good. So this is my 2018 MTV crib lawn care setup. This is what we do, and this is what it is. And I believe that anything you're gonna do, if you have the money to invest in it long haul, and I believe it will pay you back. So, hey, please like, please subscribe, please hit that bell, because the reason why I do these videos for you guys out there watching, and hopefully some information I put out there will help you grow your business, because it is plenty of work out there, guys. We cannot cut all the grass. Don't look at your people out there cutting grass as your competition. No, they're not your competition. Look at them as your co-workers, because you can't cut them all. Believe me, it's impossible. So, to my lawn care family, cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm Vic from Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care, and I'm cutting out. Peace.